This year, our school was full of life. As we celebrated Panamanian culture, we started with a meaningful opening ceremony where kindergarten students and their parents took part in the traditional flag ceremony. It was the perfect way to begin the week. On Monday, we had workshops on the Embera language, Panamanian crafts, and even recycling. Students heard from inspiring Panamanians who make us proud, like Deputy Alexandra Brenes, who shared her story with secondary students. We also worked with artisans who showed us how they preserve our traditions through their craft. Tuesday kept the momentum going with Embera dances, workshops on childhood games, and crafts made with chunga and chonta fibers. It was all about connecting with the traditions that make Panama so special.
Midweek, the celebration continued with activities that brought our community even closer. Students explored decimas, enjoyed folkloric galas, and participated in workshops that highlighted the beauty of our tradition. A standout moment came during the secondary school folkloric gala, where parents of our class of 2025 danced with their children. It was an emotional and unforgettable experience for everyone in the audience at the theater. As the week came to a close, we gathered as a community to share a traditional Panamanian celebration with La Leña Roja. Teachers and staff enjoyed delicious Panamanian dishes as we reflected on all we had experienced during this special week. The week concluded with a very special closing ceremony, where we were honored by the presence of the mayor of San Miguelito, Irma Hernandez. Together, we celebrated this year's theme, Panamanians who honor their country. This week wasn't just about learning, it was about connecting with who we are as Panamanians and celebrating the traditions that unite us as a school, as a community, and as a country.